In a dramatic and controversial move, the Trump administration has classified over 6,000 living immigrants as dead, effectively cancelling their social security numbers. These individuals who entered the US legally under Biden-era immigration programs such as CBP One have now lost access to employment, banking, and social benefits. The administration says this measure is designed to pressure them to self-deport. The Department of Homeland Security has also revoked the legal status of immigrants previously granted temporary protection and work authorization. This includes hundreds of thousands from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. In a related move, the DHS and Treasury have allowed the IRS to share tax records with Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) for deportation purposes, sparking privacy concerns and the resignation of acting IRS Commissioner. Critics, including Democracy Forward, call the actions lawless and are preparing lawsuits. A federal judge has already stepped in, blocking further deportations and halting access to the social security system by third-party contractors, including a team reportedly linked to Elon Musk. This sweeping crackdown is drawing legal fire and reigniting the national debate on immigration rights, privacy, and executive power.